guys, hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to wherever you are watching from. So today I'm with my friend here. She's called Piki. I'm going to gift it to a friend of mine. As you know, today is the end of the month, and by the end of the month I always gift a friend. It is a blessing to gift a friend at the end of the month or at the beginning of the month. I always like making a friend to have a smile on his face. It's a blessing to me when someone is having a smile on his or her face. So I want to take you through Milimani because the person is at Milimani. She is doing small training activities at Milimani area, so Victoria Primary School. So I'll be taking you around Milimani as I take a small nature walk, as I'm going to deliver the small package for my friend. So stay tuned, watch and subscribe. I'm going to take you through Milimani. I'm going to use these shoes. I have Jesus shoes. I will show you the shoes that I'll be using to work in Milimani. Stay tuned, subscribe. So guys, this is Kika Hotel. You can see, and the Rockwell Hotel. We have also Royal City Hotel. This is part of Milimani. It is very cool. It's very calm, and the time is 4:30 in the evening. So as I told you today, I'm going to use my natural handcrafted shoes to walk. So these are my natural handcrafted shoes. Have you seen my natural handcrafted shoes? So this is natural handcrafted shoes. They are very comfortable walking with. But this is part of Milimani, guys. I'm taking a nature walk within Milimani as I'm going to deliver a small package for my friend. The package I'm going to deliver to a friend of mine is a small puppy of 2 months old, and she is called Pinky. My puppy name is called Pinky. Pinky the puppy. So enjoy the view of Milimani and the nature of Milimani. The breeze is so cool, and I'm enjoying taking a walk. If you are enjoying the video, give a thumb up for my video. So this property is not for sale. So that is someone's compound. It's very empty. I think they are planting some of the vegetables in it. I can peep in. They're planting sukuma wiki scales. The view of Milimani is so cool, guys. To come and watch. Just look at the apartments. They're so cool and nice. See Even the security is so tight in Milimani. You can see there is a security Rally Falcon security vehicle parking within Milimani. So it is showing the place is so safe. The place is so safe and cool. Yaje. Yaje. Popo. Asante. Anapelekea na gift ya mtu. Yeah, niko nazo mingi. Najua is the beginning of the month. I always give us a gift to receive the blessings. So, yeah? Yes. I'm a Christian. Okay, thank you. They're asking me where am I taking the puppy. I've told them I'm opening my blessings. It's the beginning of the month. I'm opening my blessings. Guys can enjoy the view. The view is so cool. Milimani is so cool, guys. Just look at the houses. So poshy houses. God willing, one day I'll come and have a stay in Milimani. See, there are many people advertising their rental houses and homes, offices and shops. Boy and girl child counseling services available 12 years and above. They are having some small posters of advertisements. Oh, just look at the view of Milimani. Just look at the trees. You can hear the birds singing. The place is so cool. Only hear the birds singing. You see the bamboo tree. You see big vehicles. This is called inside this compound is called Kenya Power Estate. This is Kenya Power Estate. Inside here there are white houses. It's called Kenya Power Estates. See, that is I don't know how to describe him. It's Milimani Annex. So it is very beautiful having a nature walk within Milimani. I enjoy the view of Milimani. I enjoy the weather. Today the weather is not that bad because it's in the evening and it's so cool. It's not sunny, so calm, beautiful breeze, good breeze, nice smell, birds singing around, enjoying the view. Oh, hey. Let's look at the apartments in Milimani. There is a school here known as Central Primary School. So on that side, it's a central primary school. It's Kisumu Central Primary School. It is over there. It's Kisumu Central Primary School, guys can see. If you need a house within Milimani, you can call that number. Zile umbwa zinaweza niuma? Ah? Eh. Nikienda na hii dogi ndogo. Unachukua tu mbao kama unaweka black. Ya black ndio mbili kwa sasa hii black ni. Hata hiki. Ah. You guys, there is a small dogs over here, and I kind of fear them because they can see me carrying a small puppy, so I need to hide my small puppy so that they don't bite me. It's still part of Milimani. So this is Shama Hotel for accommodation, great food and conference facilities. You can come and check it out. And come and check it out. It is known as Tochi Lodge. It's an annex. I am enjoying this, the nature walk within Milimani Estate. Milimani is so big, guys. Kisumu Milimani is so big, so big, so big, so big. This is just a small part of Kisumu Milimani. There are so nice Airbnbs within Milimani. This is another branch of Tochi Lodge. The lodge is so nice. You can see the view of the lodge. So cool and nice. Guys, if you see this small motorbike over here, it is called a small scooter. If you see it around Milimani, we just gaze. The commonly people using this scooter are Asians. I'm heading to Victoria Primary School, where I'm going to meet my friend. She's doing a small fitness activity. I'm going to meet her there, and that will be the end of my video. This is Sigana Guest House. Guest House. This is Raw Advocate LLP. This is a mango tree. So a small mango tree over here, adjacent to the road. Milimani and Kisumu is so beautiful, guys. I am really enjoying the view and the nature of within Milimani. This is still part of Milimani. Milimani is so cool. Do you enjoy the view of Milimani, guys? This is still part of Milimani. So this compound over here is Milimani Baptist Church. It's a Baptist church. It is known as Baptist Theological College. This is a theological college of Milimani campus and regional training center. You guys, I want to show you Kisumu Villa of Milimani. To show you the Kisumu Villa of Milimani. So this is the Kisumu Villa of Milimani, guys. It is known as Kisumu Villa. Kisumu Villa. We have the Melvic Hotel this side, and we have Jumbo Apartments. This is Jumbo Apartments. Jumbo Apartments, you can get very nice and very beautiful interior setted B&Bs. You can enjoy the view on the rooftop. If you go at the rooftop, you will be viewing the Lake Victoria area, the regions. It is good to be in Kisumu. It is good to be in Kisumu because I'm enjoying the view of Kisumu. So you guys, I'm going to show you where Melvic Hotel is. So this is Melvic Hotel over here. This is Melvic Hotel. It is a small hideout. It is a small hideout of the hotel within Milimani. It is known as Capital Community Co-working Space. It's a construction going on here. Milimani is so cool, and mango trees all over. That is another mango tree. This is IAC, strengthening families, protecting children. So that is the place. I'm heading to Victoria Park. I'm going to show you Victoria Park. Victoria Park is very close to Victoria Primary School, where I'm going to meet a friend of mine. This is still part of Milimani, and we have a very beautiful pathwalk, pedestrian path walk. Nyongo is doing a very good work, by the way. This place never used to look like this. Even this pathway was not here. At least he's making Kisumu to look so beautiful. You can see the goats also are grazing over there. Milimani is so cool without noise. The environment of Milimani is so nice. It is very cool. There is no noise. You can only hear the sound of birds singing and vehicle passing by. It is only the background voice or noise you can hear. Inside this compound used to be a garage. So by now I don't know. Maybe I think it's still a garage because I can see some vehicles inside. I'm almost approaching Victoria Primary School. Milimani is so cool. You can see there is another mango tree inside the compound. This is a silent walk, silent nature walk. There is also another security vehicle over there. I told you security is tight in Milimani. So these are the streets of Milimani, Adala Utuko Road, and we have Awuru Kende Road. So I'm going to take Adala Tuko Road. In Adala Tuko Street Road, we are having Public Service Club this year. It's a public service club. Anybody can get inside here and enjoy. It's a public area. You guys in the comment section, tell me where in Kisumu should I take you guys? Where in Kisumu should I show you? If you enjoy the nature walk within Milimani, in the comment sections, just tell me which part in Kisumu should I show you around and enjoy the view. So this is Nyahera Lane. This side is Nyahera Lane. I'm going to show you part of Nyahera Lane, then I come and show you the Victoria Park. So this is Victoria Park, guys. It's so cool with the swimming pool over there. You can come and bring your child here to swim as you take a good breeze. It's a public area, it's not a prohibited area. It is not restricted at all. So this is Victoria Park, guys. So this is Victoria Park. You can see even some people taking photo shoots over there. I can show you some people taking photo shoot over there. Totally, it is a nice view. They're taking the photo shoots. There's also a mango tree over here. So in front of me, guys, you can see that building. That is Immigration Center. That is Huduma Center. If you want to get your passport, birth certificate, ID, that is the place to go. It is known as Huduma Center. That is our Huduma Center. This is Addis Nyanza, ACK. So if you want to enjoy eating free mangoes, there are so many mango trees in Milimani. All of those ones, those are mango trees. Even this one is a mango tree in front of me. Victoria Park is so big. It is so big, 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 big. I want to show you Victoria Park. It is starting to where it is ending. So this is part of Victoria Park. From here, you go like this, you go like this, you go like this, up to that end where that person with the white shirt is. So that is Victoria Park Garden. So you can come here, take a walk in Victoria Park, enjoy the view. If you are having your girlfriend or your wife, can come at Victoria Park, take the small chat as you enjoy the view. It is a very good place with your mpoa. Mpoa in Kisumu or in Kenya is known as a girlfriend. So this is the view of, wow. So this is the entry to Huduma Center. There's also another entry, the front gate of Huduma Center. So this is still Victoria Park, guys. This is still the view of Victoria Park. This is the exit gate, and the other was entry gate. Or otherwise, it's having two gates. So this is the second gate. Milimani is so cool, guys. Very beautiful nature. Very beautiful and natural nature. So there are some sports going on over there. So this is the place I want to go and meet a friend of mine to gift my puppy. My puppy name, as I told you earlier, she is called Pinky. Pinky the puppy. So guys, I want to get in here to meet my friend of mine. So this is Victoria Comprehensive School. There's so many people taking spots over here. Oh, so there is a sport activities going on. I think it's a small training of the sport activities. With lots of mango trees over there. I've seen a friend of mine that I'm going to gift. So she was taking some sports. She is over there with the blue shirt. So hello guys. So it's my friend here. He's called Jaden. So I've gifted him a dog. So what's the name of the dog? Yeah? Diablo. But she's a lady. Santa. Santa. Oh, so guys, she has given the dog a very cute name. So the dog name is called Santa. I was suggesting to call it Pinky Puppy, but I decided to call it as Santa. So thank you guys for watching. So I've come to the end of this video. So share, subscribe, and watch. So in the comment section, guys, you tell me which parts of Kisumu you would like to visit. Then I'll take you through. So this is the dog.